Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Darkness. Before start, don't forget like and subscribe for my channel for more videos, and don't forget to follow me on my social media here. So today we have a special project, a new meme token, the HELLFIRE coin, one of the best meme coin for this month. All what you have to do is follow me from the beginning to the end to understand everything about this amazing project. See you soon guys after this intro. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube crypto channel. So today we are here to introduce this amazing project, the meme coin, the HELLFIRE coin. So as everyone now, the HELLFIRE coin is integrated coins with games. As you see, you can join the dark meme revolution, burning with HELLFIRE and Chaos. So follow me from the beginning to the end to understand everything about this project. So the launch on the pub 1 November at 12 exactly at 3 p.m. UTC. So the HELLFIRE, you have to be quickly because you should not miss it. So this is the official website of the project here. So we have here some information about the HELLFIRE coin. As you see here, we are a coin meme developer with a touch of hell and fire, bringing darkness with a touch of humor. So this is some images about the HELLFIRE coin. So the mission of this project is to create a meme coin community with the hell themes. So that is exciting and full of fire spirit. So they provide some services like development, design, and community, as you see here. So you can build a strong visual identity with the theme of fire and darkness meme. So the hell gallery, as you see here, some amazing pictures of the HELLFIRE. As you see, this one also, this one with some money, and here some fires. And the last one, as you see, this is the last one for the fire. So you can just contact the project with your name, email, and put your message. After that, send it like this. So about the token, if you wanna buy the token, so this is the services, the website design. They provide this website design, the coin development, as you see. And for sure, if you have any question, you can just check it here. So how you can buy the token? You can buy the HELLFIRE through exchange platform that support this token, like Pump Fund and Wallet Sweep in front of the contract address. So you can see, check every question here, some popular questions. Hi friend, my name is Darkness, and today I will show you how trading with Pocket Broker can be not only profitable but also really fun. We will talk about registration, cryptocurrencies, referral bonuses, and how you can diversify your trading experience. Let's start with the registration. It's super easy and takes just a few minutes. Enter your details and don't forget to use my promo code DarknessMay2 to receive bonuses on your account and start trading with extra funds. Pocket Broker offers more than 130 assets. You can trade currency pairs, indices, stocks, and of course cryptocurrencies, all available 24 hours every week, so you can trade anytime you want. One standout feature is Bitcoin ETF. Pocket Broker is one of the first platforms to offer Bitcoin ETF trading with potential return of up to 92%, and even more crypto assets will be added soon under the best trading conditions. Now let's talk about the referral program. Pocket Friends. If you invite a friend and they top up their account and start trading, both of you receive bonuses. For example, if your friend deposits $50, they receive an extra $50 bonus, and you get up to $10 credited to your balance. All you need to do is create a referral link, share it with your friends, and enjoy the rewards. You can deposit and withdraw funds using cryptocurrency. It's fast, convenient, and secure. Withdrawals are commissions free, which means you keep more of your profits. As you see, Pocket Broker makes trading flexible, accessible, and rewarding. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and follow the link in the description to register on Pocket Broker. And don't forget to use my promo code DarknessMay2 to get extra bonuses. Thanks for watching. I wish you a successful trade and see you in the next videos. And for sure I will show you how you can do this. We have here the HELLFIRE visual roadmap. If you wanna learn about this project, you can just check here the roadmap and what they do in the mission, and of course what is the vision of this project. So this is the roadmap. The team of the HELLFIRE is here. You can check it one by one, and for sure don't miss the official white paper. As you see, this is the white paper. If you wanna know every single information about this HELLFIRE, you can just put it here. I will put this under this video in the description exactly for every one of you guys if you wanna check this amazing project and read about it for sure. So we have here on the official Notion website, you can see the HELLFIRE Infinito realm about the HELLFIRE, and you can check here the client choice and the reference. So how you can buy the token? You can buy it, as I mentioned before, on the official pump fund and wallet swipe. So guys, this is the pump fund website where you can buy the token. So how about buy the token? You can just copy the address wallet exactly under this video description. I will put it there, then you can just put it here or paste it here. Then you can see the HELLFIRE, because there are a lot of scammers. As you see, for example, if you try to make, for example, a search about HELLFIRE like this, you can find a lot of spammer token here, so they are not here. So all you have to do is make pass to the address wallet. This is the official HELLFIRE coin. So the price for now is almost, as you see here, the market cap is almost $67.7 thousand here. And you can check everything about the token here. You can buy it by click buy or sell, but before that you have to download. You can download the pump app, or you can just log in for the website or create your account. So you can find everything about the token here, ladies and gentlemen. So the price for now is 0.406770, and this is some information about the token here. The trading volume about the last 24 hours is $785. So that's it, guys. Now let's see some social media. They have the official X account here, the HELLFIRE coin. You can check the official website here, official X account. They have almost 600 followers, and this is really a good number. The Happy New Year 2026, the demon HELLFIRE. You can just check it here, guys. The token is now about 0.40677, and this is really a good file. I advise you guys for buy the token. Will be also on the HELLFIRE on the Binance wallet. If you wanna check it for sure, you can just go on the next Binance account here to download the Web3 wallet. After that you can buy it. So the percentage has been growing up 5% in the last 24 hours. We have here some posts about the HELLFIRE, as you see, guys. So I will put all the links under this video description for everyone who wants to invite one. This is the official one of the best YouTube videos about the HELLFIRE. So this is one also, and we have here another one. So that's it, guys. I hope you like the official website. I hope you like the HELLFIRE. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget that I will put all the links under this video description. See you soon, guys, and goodbye.